Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today as we learn how to add, change, or remove page numbers from within a Word document. These are all super simple to accomplish, so let's get started. As you can see on the screen, we have a two-page Word document, and we need to add page numbers. To do so, let's scroll up here to the top left and look for the Insert tab. We find it right here, so we'll click, and then we'll scroll across the ribbon looking for a page number. We find that right here, so let's pull this handle down. From here, we're given some options. We need to first decide if we'd like our page numbers to show at the top or the bottom of our pages. I'm going to select the top, and in doing so, you see a new menu populate, and this gives us a choice of what we want our numbers to look like. Anything from plain and simple to fancy with lines, brackets, accent bars, whatever you'd like. I'm going to go up here to my favorite, which is called page X of Y. What this option does is it displays the page number as well as the total number of pages in our document. If we select this, we still have three options to choose from. I'm going to select top right, and now you can see that our page numbers are populated. We have page 1 of 2 right here and page 2 of 2 right here. You'll also notice across the top of the screen this dotted line. To get rid of this, we're going to look for the red X right here, close header and footer. The line goes away, and this is what our document would look like if it were printed. This is perfect. We now have our page numbers. Now, let's say that we want to make a change. We don't want this particular option. We want something else. We can change anything. We can change the style, we can change the color, we can change the size, the font, whatever you'd like. So let's just click our page numbers here. And let's say that I want to change the style. You'll notice I have another tab up at the top called Header and Footer. And if we look to the far left, we're going to see that same page number icon. Let's click that again. Let's again click top of page. And let's just choose something simple at the top right. Now you can see our page numbers have changed, and we simply have 1 and 2. If we're happy with this, let's go up here and close the header and footer. Our lines disappear, and now you see that we've made the change. Lastly, what if we decide that we don't want page numbers anymore? Again, not a problem. We'll come right back up to the page number, click on it again. You see our header and footer menu. So we're going to scroll to the left and find page number. Let's pull the handle down, but this time we're going to scroll to the very bottom. We're going to click Remove Page Numbers. And voila, they have disappeared. Our line is still there, so we're still in the working menu. So to get rid of it, we're going to come up here and close header and footer. And there you go. We are back to our original document, 2 pages without the page numbers indicated. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Thanks for viewing.